This massage video is intended to show you a basic maintenance massage for an animal in general good health. Each massage will contain 5 individual stages: the opening, during the time that you're introducing yourself to the animal; the palpation stage, which is primarily fact gathering as you run your hands over the surface of the animal. Then you move into the body of the massage. This is where you will do most of your treatment work. After the body of the massage, you can move into the stretching phase. Providing gentle stretches for the animal will help to increase flexibility. Lastly, we move into the closing phase of the massage. This is an opportunity to integrate all of the work that you've done by passing your hands over the body using a stroke such as effleurage. We also want you to watch for demonstrations of each of the classes of strokes, such as effleurage, petrissage or the kneading strokes, compression, various forms of friction including digital circles or digital pressure, linear friction and skin rolling, and tapotement, any of the percussive strokes. Each session should begin with an opening, an introduction between you and the horse. Using gentle strokes, run your hands over the entire surface of the horse so that he can become familiar with your touch. The second part of the massage is the palpation phase. Information gathered during the palpation phase will serve to help you in formulating the body of your massage or making decisions about the types of techniques and strokes that you will apply. You may begin the massage at the head or neck of the horse. Although some horses will not be comfortable immediately with being approached at the head, these horses you may choose to start further back on the body. Each massage will be unique and no 2 sessions are alike. So do not try to use this as an example of a routine or a sequence of massage events, but rather just as an illustration of the types of strokes used in a massage. Be sure that when you're massaging your animal or a client, that you use the information from your palpation to make choices about the desired results. The large muscles of the horse's head and face can benefit from petrissage, compression, and linear frictions to help lengthen muscle fibers, particularly the large muscle of the cheek called the masseter, which is involved whenever the horse is being ridden and in things like grazing or communication between horses. This muscle will often be tense and have sensitive areas. Here I'm using digital frictions around the border of the masseter muscle, along the bony attachments. Petrissage can also be used to lift and knead the muscles along the top of the neck and the large muscle below the spine called the brachiocephalicus. The base of the neck is especially important. Tension from being ridden often builds up in this area, and the transition between the cervical spine and the thoracic spine is an area where many horses carry a good deal of tension. I'm using compressions along the front of the shoulder blade into the belly of the muscles